Hi everyone, check out the Luumtee 315 PC's car bumper retainer clips set designed for multiple car brands. This kit includes 18 popular sizes of nylon fastener clips and door trim removal tools for Ford, GM, Honda, Acura, Toyota, Chrysler, AMC, and Lexus. These clips are perfect for securing door trims, radiator shields, fenders, engine covers, bumpers, and splash shields. Made from high-quality black nylon, they resist wear, corrosion, and cracking, ensuring long-lasting durability. The set comes in a handy plastic box with 15 compartments for easy organization and storage. With 315 pieces, you have everything needed to DIY your vehicle maintenance anytime. Save time and avoid trips to the auto parts store with this versatile and reliable clip kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.